How to send a picture on Telegram. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily send a picture on a Telegram chat. Without any further delay, let's just get into the video. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Telegram application, and then from here you can choose the chat where you want to send a picture to. Once you have done that, once your chat is open, all you have to do is tap on this clip icon right beside your camera or voice icon. So just tap on this. It will open up your gallery, and all now is simply go ahead and picture from here. So here is a picture that I want to send on the chat. So what I'm going to do is tap on the select icon. Once you've selected the picture, you also have an option to add caption here. You can also draw on the picture. And then finally, what you could also do is simply add text on your picture. So after you've done editing the picture, just tap on the send option. And as you can see here, the picture has been sent on the chat. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.